Keep the heat on and the electricity flowing with a career in power engineering. What is a power engineer? Basically, it's a trained technician that helps to keep power plants running safely and efficiently. Power engineers work in a variety of industries, such as the oil patch, mining, manufacturing, energy, health, and more. Although power engineering is not classified as a trade, it is government regulated and certified by the province where you live and work. It's divided into 4 levels of skills and training. First class is the highest, so you start out at 4th class. A combination of work experience and course completions, followed by rigorous interprovincial examinations, allows an engineer to progress from one class to another. Here at Parkland, we offer the 4th class Power Engineering Technician and the 3rd class Power Engineering. Our classes are delivered through blended learning, a combination of online and face-to-face courses. But you'll still receive a lot of hands-on time at the Trades and Technology Centre in Yorkton in our Power Lab. You'll learn the basics of power generation with practical training in boiler operations, electrical controls and instrumentation, maintenance and tool use. And you'll develop troubleshooting skills in practical labs, get boiler firing time in the Power Lab, and industry work experience. As I noted, you can start with the 4th class program. For that, you'll need a grade 12 with a 30-level math and an overall average of at least 65%. Chemistry and physics are also recommended. This program is first qualified, first admitted. You're more likely to be accepted if you apply early. The 4th class certificate is a prerequisite for advancing to the 3rd class program. And there's an English language requirement for both. Applications are open now for the 4th class program. It's 36 weeks in length, running from October through May. The 3rd class program is 16 weeks, starting in the fall and wrapping up at the end of January. Want to know more? Watch our instructor interview or set up an appointment with an academic advisor today.